Okay, we're on. Got everything up and running. So, as we've already said, we've had a big move down. We're still finding support here on the 4 hour. We've got 37 minutes to go to that. We're still uptrending, but we certainly have had a small change. I mean, overall, this is a daily chart. It's still crazy strong. So if we were going to get some sort of panic, we'd expect probably down to there. We mentioned this with the cash before. Going to gap down 311 points. We've recovered a little bit now, just to that low. But sentiment may have changed. I was thinking we might get a quick move up on the open, but just looking at everything right now, yeah, it doesn't look as good as I'd hoped. So I think we might actually get a move down first. But and my caffeine for the day. So, good news is I have the Apex accounts back, as you can see. So, fingers crossed that is all okay. I will just actually haven't even, gee, I should have tested this first, shouldn't I? Well done, Cam. You just picked up on that because I just changed it. Yep, okay, that all works. Excellent, they've all come up. Pretty quick too, so there's no delay. Okay, here we go, we're getting a drop. It's really volatile at the moment, so. It would be really nice if we actually got a drop down here. So we've got this line here. I'm looking for a drop down to here. Two six. Okay. We're getting a drop, so that's good. Okay, 2 minutes to go. Just make sure my timer is on. That's good. It's in sync. Okay, a minute to go. Sort of just drifting down at the moment. It's holding, damn it. Come on. Okay, here we go. Here's the big moment. I'd love to go long, but just can't. I said this would go up. I think it's just gonna be very volatile. You've got trend and momentum down on the futures at the moment. It's a significant gap down though. Damn it. This market is crazy. Okay, so we've got a minute 36 to go on the 5. Okay, so we've got the 5-minute closing, and it's going to be a strong bar. So let's see if we can get. I mean, we got all that move down. There's just no entry. I mean, look at it. It's just so messy all the way through here. So even though we've gone up, it's just really messy. So strong 5-minute. We've just got to remember the trend is down. So we're right on 50% of this 5-minute bar at the moment. That's a nice reversal. Don't like it. Where is the reversal? There's nothing but volatility. I mean, look at this. It came down, went up, came all the way back down twice. And it's just not a nice, clean move. Yeah, volatile on all those. Okay, so this will be the interesting part here. If we can hold here, do a little bit of a higher low. Oh, just. Well, thank goodness I just stuck to my rules then, because that just dropped 24 points. So It's just not good enough. Also, I don't trade reversals. So I don't do any of that other stuff anymore. Reversals or trying to pick the bottom or the top or any of that sort of crap. Literally just trading with the trend. That's it. Just put my trend line on and my safety line on, and then that's it. Boom. Well, this is pretty crazy, the amount of volatility. So very, very easy decisions here. It's been a very, very tough day to find a trade. It just drifted down all day. And then there's just been volatility since, so well, this is pretty yuck at the moment. It's going to stand for a second. Okay, so that's just a significant gap down right near this level here. And it's not continuing on at the moment, so if we can hold here, do 15-30 minutes like this, I think we'll get a move back up. Especially since we're right near this low and this is volatile beforehand, so it just doesn't look smooth enough to keep going down at the moment. Okay, breaking through the low. That's interesting. Okay, so right on the 5-minute low here. Right there. Oh, God, I hate these ones. Just have to hope this comes back down a little bit, but I thought we'd go up. Okay, it's a pretty big one down to 24. God, this wants to go. God, this is so strong. Okay, it's really volatile here. I'm just going to turn my camera off for a couple of seconds. I'll still be here. Well, unfortunately, this is pretty easy at the moment because it's just really volatile. So I mean, if you look at the 15, it sort of looks like we're starting to do a little bit of a base. Well, hang on for a second. If we can come down to this low, no, it's the wrong way around, Cam. It's not the right way. Momentum is no. It certainly looks like we're waiting for everything to catch up here. So we've just gapped down and we've stayed at these levels. So we're waiting for everything to catch up, it looks like. I was hoping that we'd gap down and we'd get just a move back up even to about here, which is, well, it's 100 points. And I'm looking for 10. I still think this looks good for the upside. The more this holds, the longer the bears will just be like, yeah, nah, this is not going anywhere. Because it's all happened, it's all gapped. So if you're in a stock here, like this is what a stock would do. It would gap open. So that's your opening price. So if you went short here, you're going to start to think this is not going anywhere. So I think we possibly hold here, wait for a geometric angle, maybe flatten out and then get a move up, but we just can't go short here. It's not clean. Oh, this is looking nice. Are you gonna turn? Yeah, no, it's just. Oh, I hate being right. And it doesn't give you a nice entry. That's just not good enough. So we've done a nice little higher low here. I feel like we're building for it, but it's interesting when someone says don't like it, and this is the thing that's really important with trading. It's not a decision whether you like it or not. It's a decision on whether it meets your rules, and that's the thing that's definitely where people get into trouble. Like right now, I like this right here. It's a higher low, and it looks like it wants to go up, but it's volatile, so it doesn't meet my rules. And that's the really important distinction between someone who's trading as a business and someone who's hoping and guessing, I suppose. Like, I think the market will go up, but it's irrelevant. It has to give me an entry that meets my rules. So or we can just click. Click. Clickety click. Yeah, I can't find anything today. And we come back down. So look at that. Today's been frustrating. I'm just looking at some previous the market previously, and there just hasn't been anything. No. Yeah. What time was that? 21:49. That's 9th. That's during the webinar. Yeah, well, the lower time frames certainly tell you at the moment. Like, look at all that volatility there. That's just lots and lots of indecision. Now, mind you, we've seen this before. We've seen this before where it's just junk for the first hour. It's only been half an hour, so could be junk for the first hour, junk for the second hour, and then third hour comes, then there's a beautiful trade. I just am not convinced about this downside yet. So we're coming down to this low again, and it just doesn't look ready to keep going. It's so volatile beforehand. So we've got this really significant level again. We've also got geometric angle coming up. So I think we'll come down to this low again. But you can see all the price it's done. I mean, such a strong level there. But if we break through that, we could come down to here, and it could just, if that happens, if we break this level here, it could be a lot of panic. Doesn't look great on the 5. these are happening a lot lately. We're getting a low and then it's creating a V shape. You get one big bar up and then it just dumps. It's just not. It's trading against the trend. So if it had held that low there and done a double bottom, yeah, I was hoping we were going to stay here there, do that, do the double bottom, and then sort of maybe bounce and go back up from there. But once you break the low, then it's got to do all this work just to get back up to here. So pretty clear at the moment. That's a high, it's a lower high. We've broken through the low. Trend is very clearly down. We're going to need to really come up and accelerate through this level. Well, I did say if we break through this, that's not good. So next level, really serious level, is down here, and I would love for it to get there. Just don't do this shitty move here. Can't do much with this. Okay, it's going to give it a try. Now, someone today on the webinar, I'm not sure if you're on, but asked about what's the difference between a reversal bar and a change in direction. So this is a reversal bar right here. So we've got 17 seconds to go. You've opened high, it's come all the way down, created this low, and it's coming all the way back up. So that's a reversal bar. It looks like it's going to reverse. It doesn't mean it's going to reverse. It's just an indication that no one's winning this bar. You can see on this bar here, someone's winning. This one here, it's gone all the way down, come all the way back up. So it may reverse. This may go up. But the trend is down. We've broken through this low. And that's the really important part of this. Even if we get a move up here, you've broken the trend. So the trend is down. We've broken the low, and momentum is down as well. So this actually looks good. This is going to go now. Oh, damn it. told you we're gonna rip now. Yeah. Come on, give us a pullback. So we've got 2 minutes to go on the 5, 2 minutes 22. Oh, I think we're just going to accelerate here. Momentum is still down there, but it's not too bad. Minute 40 to go on the 5. Has to hold here. I think it will too. Although that short-term momentum is volatile. So 52 seconds to go. It's holding. Don't go yet. It's right near the high. It's gonna need to come back. And we broke the low, and we've still got momentum down. So strong close on the 5. Right at the high. Very, very strong. There you go, 7.5, 10 points straight away. Should have taken that. Okay, this is what we needed. So we need to come down to that's 50% of the bar. So we go to the 5-minute bar. So that's 50% there. We're going to need to come down to 25% of it. So we need to come down to here, which kind of coincides with that. But I just think it's too strong. Yeah, well, that was the line. It actually did come down there, didn't it? So didn't give you much. Giving it another go. If we can just come down to that level again and hold. Okay, that's not going to happen there. So we'll move this to this level here. It's very strong now. Holding, it doesn't really want to do a pullback. Come on. Just come down to this level a little bit more. Well, that 5 has a big kink in it now. So if we can just come down here. Okay, this is the bounce. Is it going to bounce here? Doesn't look like it. It's okay. No, you're going to come down further. Okay, that's good. Love it. Come down to here. Okay, well, it's come back. It did 10 points. I just can't trade against momentum. So there you go. That 1 minute is closed pretty poor. There's just absolutely nothing clean about today. It's been like this all day. Yeah, no, it's just not first bar pullback. This is just struggling to get to this high. Yep. So we just got to remember here that trend is still down on this. We're getting this little move up, but it's pretty dangerous. That is just not hard to tell the trend is down there. So we may, if we drift up to this level here, we're going to have to come back down. Yep, no way I'm buying here. No way. Well, again, this is not very interesting, guys. This you can see from the 5-minute chart that this low broke this low, so it's just nothing really spectacular here. So we don't have a higher low. We're coming up to this high, but the big thing is the cash chart is straight down. So you've got this pattern straight down. It's opened and really stayed the same since. So this just does not look right to go up for much longer. But I mean, the market can do whatever it likes, but it just looks like trend is still very strong on the downside here. Starting to get a little bit of a drop. Yeah. This is not looking very good at the moment. You can very clearly see on this chart here, you've got up, down, up, a little bit of consolidation, straight down, straight up, straight down, up to this high. You did, I mean, it's funny when you do it like that, how easy it looks that that low broke this low, but then we had a high, and then we had a little higher low that broke through that high, and that's when it went. Yeah. What a crazy, crazy strong market. Well, as I said, the positive today is I've got the Apex accounts back, so that's good. We've still got a shot at the big target. We just need some nice trend at the moment. And right now on this 5, I mean, we could break through this high, but when you have volatile momentum like that, it can just be, as the word says, volatile. Come on. Come back down. Whoa, this just looks very messy. Yep, that's exactly right, Ian. We've just got to wait. I mean, this 5-minute chart is just crazy volatile. So we've gone all the way up, we've come up to this high, we've got to come back down. Now the key here is if we can just sort of come down and create a bit of a base. But from what's been happening of late, it's gone straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. So this could be good. We just need we need a quick move down to here. Don't think it's going to come that far. Yep, definitely a tough, easy night, this is. Yeah, I just don't like this. Well, it's at least giving you the chance there, but no. Now, the more I look at this, the more it looks like it's just slowly just turning here. So I don't think we'll drop now. I was hoping we'd come back down to this level here, but it looks like we're creating this level here. You got that level there. You got this really strong level here. You've got a move up, pull back, move up, pull back. I just feel like it needs to do a bit of this for a little while. What's that? 1 o'clock. So that is, yeah, half an hour away. Okay, well, we're just going to sit here for a while, but there's not going to be a trade for a little while. Let's just watch this pullback here. As I said, the only possibility is we just get a quick move down to here, and then it bounces, but sometimes it's clean, sometimes it's not. Gee, that's funny. You've really got to concentrate. That nearly sucked me in. Nearly sucked me in. Yes, I only trade the Nasdaq now, Ian. My brain's not large enough to trade multiple markets. I trade one market and only 2 time frames. Well, we are going to need to consolidate for a while because we can see this here. We're clearly, very, very clearly on a downtrend now. What have we got? 60 min. I don't have a timer on there, do I? 21 minutes to go. Yeah, very volatile now. We're going to need a pullback. We need to wait for this. We've got at least probably about 15 minutes or 10, 15 minutes or so. You got this line here. We may bring this up, bounce off it, and then go up through the high. But we're not going to need to wait on that. So, okay. I'll give it another 5 for YouTube, just in case. You're gonna give me junk, aren't you? No, it's just junk. Needs to be breaking through for high for that. You've got no trend, no momentum. It's a 50-50 scenario here. It could break through this high and just keep going, but it's not accelerating through. See this big kink now. As they say, this is it. This could be just a little flush to the downside just to get some people out. It's still making higher lows. It's not great, but little drop. Not looking good. It has to go, like it has to go now. This 5-minute bar has to be, it will have to close like this. Have to close near that high. It's can't, it just can't. Momentum is too strong on the downside. Yep, and look at that. Strong bar. Came back strong. It's going to do it, isn't it? Told you. It has to close. It can't close here. It has to close right near the high. Oh, here we go. We're getting a bit of a dump. Cannot afford to do this. Yep, no, doesn't look like it. Two minutes to go. So if we get a move down here, then I'll probably just end the feed for YouTube, guys. Minute 34 to go. Needs a rescue. Needs something to happen, but it's actually going to close very poorly. And we're drifting down. Okay, well, we've got 40 seconds to go. And we're dropping down here. We may get a move back up, but this is not very clean at all. I was hoping for this to close really strong up near this high. But you can see this V shape. And V equals volatile. So we're going to have to wait for a while. This has just been this sort of day. Very. And there's the close. And there's the close, really poor. So we might get a little bit of a move back down here, but we're going to have to wait for a while. It's going to have to do some time and sort of sort itself out. Lots of volatility here. We just need some time. Needs some time to flatten out. It might not even happen today. But that's it for now. I'll sit here and still wait, but it's pretty volatile at the moment, not very clean. Might have to wait till tomorrow. So, okay, YouTube, thanks for watching, everybody. As I said, thank God, at least I've got the Apex accounts back. We've got all the accounts up and running, so everything's good. And yeah, hopefully we get something a little bit cleaner later on, or it's just a better, cleaner day tomorrow. But we will wait and see. So, okay, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. See you soon.